Did you miss me?
Yes, I miss a lot, ma'am.
Thank you, but you have to make it negative.
Okay.
Yes. You are
I
busy with
yes, yes,
guests.
yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, ma'am. Actually, guest in the house for 2 3 days. I did not practice anything.
Okay, okay. It's okay, it's okay. Sometimes it happens. So even if you are
Yes,
busy,
ma'am.
you can practice. You can
Yes,
speak in your mind.
yes.
Yeah.
But
For example,
2 days,
I
but 2 days, I'm full busy, so I did not I did not practice anything, ma'am. I don't remember anything, ma'am.
it's okay. It happens. Sometimes it happens. Yeah. So
Yes, ma'am.
let's talk about childhood today.
Uh, Today, child not do anything today, but she her health is good today, so today she is gone to school, ma'am.
He has gone to school.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Actually, childhood is something different. Childhood means bachpan.
Yes.
I wanted to talk about
Yeah.
childhood.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually,
That is
yes, yes.
that is different.
Okay, okay,
So it's okay. So first we
okay.
will discuss some basic sentences. Okay. We will
Yes, ma'am.
revise some sentences
Yes.
that I have already taught you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So for
Hmm.
example, I say I go. Hmm? I go
Okay.
means मैं जाती हूँ and you will make it negative.
ओके ओके ऐसे मैं जाती हूँ तो आई से मैं जाती हूँ तो मुझे इसको नेगेटिव में बोलना है
Hmm. मैं जाती
ओके
हूँ. I go. Okay.
ओके ओके ओके
So this is a positive sentence. Now you have to make it
ओके
negative. मैं जाती हूँ.
ओके
मैं
आई
नहीं
गो
जाती हूँ.
तो आई डोंट गो
Hmm.
आई एम नॉट गो आई डोंट गो है कि आई एम नॉट
I don't go.
आई डोंट गो या आई
Hmm?
डोंट गो
Hmm? Hmm.
या
I practice.
आई एम नॉट प्रैक्टिस
I am not. I don't practice.
अच्छा अच्छा आई डोंट प्रैक्टिस ओके
Hmm? You are not using these sentences in your daily life. That's why you don't remember.
ओके मैम ओके
So,
मैम
so keep practicing. Whatever you are learning, just keep practicing again
ओके
and
मैम
again
ओके
and
मैम ओके
again.
मैम
Okay? So
ओके
that is
मैम
the
ओके
only
मैम
way how you can learn all these things.
ओके मैम
Because without practice, whatever you are learning, you will not remember that for a long term.
यस
You will
यस मैम
more likely to forget all
Yeah,
these
yeah, yeah,
sentences.
yeah. Yes, ma'am. Actually, yeah. Actually, 2 days I'm so busy. Then guest is gone. Then my daughter is cold and fever, ma'am. So, uh, so that what जो भी था दिमाग में सब में निकल गया टेंशन में.
It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry.
But it's okay. हाँ.
Good, good, good. This attitude is good. It's okay. We can do it again. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So I remember.
Okay.
Mhm.
Uh,
Make it negative.
I remember. Okay, I remember. I don't remember.
Hmm. I sleep.
Okay. I don't sleep.
I think.
I don't think.
I come.
I don't come.
I go.
I go. I go. I don't go.
I talk.
I don't talk.
I dance.
I don't dance.
I cook.
I don't. I cook. I don't cook.
I don't. Then who cooks? Who
Oh,
cooks?
yeah. Me cooks.
If you don't cook, then who cooks?
Okay.
I read.
I don't read.
I write.
I don't write.
I jump.
I don't jump.
I clean.
I don't clean.
Good. I talk to my friends.
I don't talk to my friend.
I teach my daughter.
I don't teach my daughter.
Why don't you teach your daughter?
I don't know.
I don't know. Good, good, good. Okay, so I know and I don't know. Okay?
Okay.
Hmm.
Yes.
I
Yes.
watch TV.
Okay.
I watch TV.
I don't. I don't watch TV.
Okay, so
Okay.
I play with my kids.
I don't play with my kids.
Good. I go with my husband.
I don't go with my husband.
I talk to my mother.
I don't talk to my mother.
I help my husband.
I don't help my husband.
Hmm. And I like shopping.
I don't like shopping.
I read books.
I don't read books.
Hmm. And I go out with my family.
I don't go out with my family.
I don't go out with my family.
Family, huh?
Okay. And
Okay.
yeah, I sing.
I don't sing.
I smile.
I don't smile.
Good. But you are smiling right now.
Yeah, yeah.
You are smiling right now. You are lying.
Yes.
So who is it? Okay, so you have to practice these sentences. Whatever you are speaking in a positive sentence, you can make it
And
negative.
negative sense.
Just to practice,
Okay, ma'am.
right? It's
Okay, ma'am.
not
Okay, ma'am.
necessary that
Okay.
only if something you have to say, only then you have to say. You can speak anything
Okay, ma'am.
because practice is
Okay, ma'am.
the most important thing. Okay?
Most
Try
important
to
thing.
try to
Yes,
speak
ma'am.
such sentences. Try to speak these sentences with your daughter.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm?
टाइम नहीं मिला मैम तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे
I
आई
did
हैव नो
not.
टाइम
I did not have time.
अच्छा आई डिड नॉट हैव टाइम
मेरे पास टाइम
सो
नहीं है. I don't have time.
हाँ
One more activity. Okay. So first I will tell
यस
you. First I will tell you. For example, it's a
ओके
normal. It's a normal sentence. Okay.
ओके मैम
I
ओके
speak. I speak. मैं बोलती हूँ.
ओके
Okay.
ओके
Now
यस
I don't speak.
मैं
मैं
नहीं बोलती हूँ
नहीं बोलती हूँ. So ये sentence है
ओके
present का. Present का.
ओके ओके ओके
I speak.
ओके
मैं बोलती हूँ. I don't speak. मैं नहीं बोलती हूँ. This is present. Okay. Now we will
Okay,
make
yeah,
this
ma'am.
sentence into past. We will translate it to
ओके
past. Okay.
पास
Now
ओके
अब हमें इसको past में change करना है. So
Okay.
don't की जगह आएगा did not. Do not की जगह
अच्छा
आएगा
अच्छा
did not.
ओके अगर हमको उसको पास में चेंज करना है तो डिड नॉट आएगा
जैसे I
डिड
don't
नॉट
speak.
स्पीक
I did not speak.
ओके आई डोंट स्पीक ओके आई डोंट स्पीक आई डिड नॉट स्पीक आई डिड स्पीक ये प्रेजेंट हो रहा है आई डिड नॉट स्पीक ये पास में गया
I don't speak.
ओके
मैं नहीं बोलती हूँ. I did not speak. मैंने
I
नहीं
did.
बोला. Now I will tell you one sentence and you will make it negative in present
Yes.
and negative in
Okay.
past. I read a book.
Okay. I don't read a book.
Past.
I did not read book, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
I write.
I did not write.
First, you have
I
to
don't
make it
write.
present. Yes.
Okay. I don't write, and I did. I did.
Did
I did
not
not
write.
write.
I did not write.
I did not write. I did not write.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So I will
Okay.
ask some questions and you have to make it negative in past.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you cook?
Did you? Yes, I did.
You have to make it negative.
Okay, okay. I did not cook.
Very good. Did you talk to your husband?
Okay. I did not talk to my husband.
Good. Did you teach your daughter?
Okay. I did not teach my daughter.
Very good. Did you go out?
I did not. I did not go out.
I did not go out.
Okay, I did not no go out. Yes.
Did you call your mother?
I did not. I did not call my mother's
Mother's the mother.
mother. Huh?
Did you call your mother?
I did not. I did not call my mother.
Very good. He's talking to someone. I don't know who is it. Did you read a book? Did you read a book?
I did not read book.
Read a book. Did you practice English?
I did not practice English, ma'am.
That's exactly what you did because you were busy,
Yes.
right? So
Okay.
you can
Yes.
say like
Right.
this, ma'am, I did not practice
Okay.
because I was busy.
Okay. Okay.
Hmm? Hmm.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you comb your
Yes.
hair? Did you comb your hair?
Uh, yes, but comb किया था, but अभी नहीं, but I did not comb my hair.
Very good, very good. Okay. Did you miss me?
Yes, I miss a lot, ma'am.
Thank you, but you have to make it negative.
Okay.
Yes.
I I don't miss you, ma'am.
Oh, that is present.
Present. Okay, past. I did not miss you.
Good. Don't miss me.
Okay.
Okay.
Don't. Okay.
Okay. Yes. Did
Okay,
you
ma'am.
did you watch a movie?
I don't. I did not watch movie, ma'am.
Good. And
Okay.
hmm, did you play with your daughter yesterday?
I don't know. I did. I I did not play. I did not play with daughter
With
yesterday.
my daughter. Okay.
Okay, my daughter. Yes.
Yesterday
Yes.
I did not play with my daughter. Repeat this sentence.
Okay.
Repeat this sentence.
Yesterday. Okay. Yesterday I did not play my daughter.
Play with my daughter.
Play with my daughter.
Hmm.
Yesterday I did not. Yesterday I did not play my daughter.
Hmm. I did not
Okay.
play with my daughter.
Yesterday I did not play my daughter.
Hmm.
Correct?
With my daughter. Hmm? Okay.
With my daughter.
Huh,
Yes.
huh,
Okay.
huh. What else? Do you remember any more sentences?
No, now I don't remember, mom.
Good. Now you are getting it. Now you are getting it.
Yes.
Okay. So present
Yes.
and the difference is only
Pass.
in present we will use do not, don't, and in past
Yes.
we will use did not. Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
Don't,
Okay, ma'am.
did not.
Okay, don't and did not. Yes.
Rest
Present don't. Present don't or past did not.
did not. That is only difference.
Right? Okay.
So rest sentence will be the same. I don't remember.
Okay, ma'am.
I did not remember. I write. I don't
Okay.
write. I did not write.
I did not right.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't read a book.
Okay.
I did not read a book.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Hmm? So now
Okay,
you
ma'am.
have to practice these sentences regularly. Keep practicing more and
Okay,
more and
ma'am.
more. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay then. Keep
Okay, ma'am.
practicing. Keep practicing.
Okay.
Okay then. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Take care.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.